funny nose. Welcome back to Funny Nose channel. Actually, my name is not Funny Nose. My name is Hidden and to this channel is Lockdown Activity. So today we are going to paint a painting. Yeah. Now let's get started painting this picture, and it's very easy. You could paint it at home. Just A4 sheet of paper, lovely colors, paint palette, many sizes of brushes. Now we'll get started. So I placed the newspaper in the table because I don't want to keep my table dirty. If you want to keep your table clean, you could apply newspaper. So I took out the rest of the colors and leave only white, black and blue color because it's very easy and we only need these colors. Okay, I have cleaned it now. Now I'm going to take this brush and dip it in the blue color and paint it full blue because it's really important. We are going to do it night sky. See what's happening. The table, the paint is going in the newspaper, right? So it's really important to put the newspaper while you're painting. So now we have to let this dry. I have permanent paint, so my permanent paint will dry really fast, and it is already dry. I just wait it. Now I'm going to take this kind of brush and take the black color and pour it. To make grass in the bottom like this. But the black color is still not finished, but it's good because we need so much things with the black color, and we need to also paint the branches. There's no need for drying this black color. I'm going to draw a big tree and draw its branches. And you also have to do it like this and like this. Just make it like a cactus. Even over here, do the same. Everywhere do like a cactus. Somewhere you have to put one stick like this. It will be good if you do like this. Okay, and we color this thing whole black with the same brush. It will be it's quite little, so I'm going to not doing really fast. Do this much fast when it's really medium. And now everywhere over here they draw the small medium type branch tree over here, medium size, and do the same thing but quite small. I'm doing this quite slow. So I have done these things. Now I'm going to take white color and take a so thin brush. This is so thin brush of mine. Tap it to get out. Oh my god, that's so much. Anyways, we need it. And I'm going to put this brush and put the dots to make it free. It'll be very special if you do it like this. It's okay. Try your best. And you also have to tap to make it night leaves, because we are making a night picture of a night scene. The branches also have to be seen, so that's why we painted the branches to be seen. This picture is very nice because you used so much tools. It is very interesting, alright? Okay, now I'm going to tell you. It can be in the comments or in the description that this painting is interesting. You do everywhere, but in different size branches. Like I'm doing here. Why did I say branches? I mean it leaves. First you make I'm going to tell you how it will be easy. First you make this shape like this. dip it in a white color, so just a little, no, not that, this much, and do like I don't. We forgot to make stars. That's not the way that we make stars. Just make the multiplication sign, not equal. Multiply this. This is the easy way. So our painting is complete. It's a very easy and nice without pencils, and you could do anything. I still have white color, so you could draw moon. It's still a thin brush. You make it thin. So our painting is complete. It is really nice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. I made some more. If you have paints left in your paint palette, easy solution. Take finger, do like this, do like this, do like this for the head. Till it's done, do like this, and bye! Bye! Thanks for painting me and thanks for drinking me alive!